first class. No matter what show we roll up top, we work hard, you know. Badding up the game in London, we make a plan, you know.
You see that? Me tell you no. Him want the game in London, they think a joke me make, you know. The man want the game in London, I guess where him come from. Guyana. Bad them way there. What's good YouTube? It's your boy Type Vlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. I will back with another video for you guys now. Right now, people will have another Guyana artist. But however, this Guyana artist is living in the UK, living in England. He's living in England, but guess what? He's mashing up the areas in England, people. And guess what? We need to hear that song right now. It's a song called Money Mine. Money Mine. What else would you think about that 2020? We need money more than anything else, right? So Money Mine. Money Mine. The artist called Pajo. Check out him YouTube channel at Pajo Music. You hear me? I say, go follow him on Instagram. Search up Pajo Music and find him anywhere. You hear me? Big up, yo. You depend on rhythm I call Backside Rhythm. Bumbo Cleat. You see me? I say, produced by Smoke Studios. You see me? I say, big up Prince Entertainment to two producers. So you know, say a bad piece of song. Because you are going to people. Tap the like button. Comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. You know, we post much time for the day. Every time, much time for the day. But guess what? We post every single day. That's the main reason you need to subscribe to the channel. And that's the main reason you get to 50k subscribers. 50k. We are go feet right now. I was a run tune. Run tune!
Yo.
Alright then.
Yo, Prince.
I like the instrument already, you know that. When you say people dead already, you know. When you know what people say, you know what things already, you know. Go on. Yo, Prince. Yo, me not even know. Yo, go on, Prince.
Trying to use them or watch me. We are watch them.
You see? The youth them are watch we. You have to watch them back. Watch them. Watch the bad man people them. Cause them are watch we. Them are watch we. Pajo, deal with it, but them know so that. Hey. Go on.
Watch them. Man.
I don't care what the pussy them say, we have cash.
Pajo, you say? We don't care what them say, Pajo. We don't care what them say. We have what? What? What them say? We don't care what them say, we have cash. Pajo, deal with it, Pajo. Deal with it, Pajo.
People used to have to build beyond stash.
Alright.
Making smart moves, but tonight we like flash.
Alright.
Expensive taste on it.
We have to build our own stash. Get you open that store now. Open that the Pajo right now. We have to build our own stash. We have to build it. We have to create our own craft. Pajo, I teach you something we need to know right now. Pajo, go on, mash up the place, Pajo. Go on.
Like first class. No matter what show we roll up top, we work hard, you know. Badding up the game in London, we make a plan, you know.
You see that? Me tell you no. Him want the game in London, they think a joke me make, you know. The man want the game in London, I guess where him come from. Guyana. Bad them way there. But guess where it's a go on, dog? Guess where it's go on, dog? The man say him fly first class. I must say you don't watch how him roll up. He work hard for him thing. He work, yo, go on!
Don't watch your stock in your bank, so no period. Kitty proud youth coming hot to make a pound, you know. Some say money, man.
Yo, John Oscar, the man no watch your thing, what you watch thing for? See him, son, no? Me no watch your business. Don't watch my business, only watch my video them. But listen, when I try to still it up, the man say, yo, him now watch what you have to forget your money. Don't watch film money move, dog. Make your own moves and start period the man and say that, dog. Yo, you know what, Pajo, we like how you do the place in the Pajo. Go and do it.
Money mine. Money mine. We don't look at dollar, only pound sign. Money.
We don't look at dollar, only pound sign. Make you have nothing to spray and mash the place with in here. Make you have to mash the place with in here. Me don't have nothing enough to mash the place with, dog. Nothing. Hey, Pajo, go on.
Money mine.
Yeah.
We run a stack of cash cause we not in a dirty crime.
Yeah.
Money mine.
Better we start the cash in the car in a dirty crime. The man said no in a dirty crime. People, artist named Pajo. People, go subscribe to his YouTube channel right now. Go subscribe to Pajo Music on YouTube. Right now. He have whole heap of song over there. I'm telling you, he might mash up. You see, big up yourself. Me tell you, he mash up London. Go on.
Look to build your wealth, how we stay pride.
Alright.
Money, money, mine, money, money. From 19 early, we have we own.
Look for Billy wealth. Look for Billy wealth now, he's still grinding. You see me, I say, he might grind hard, come and build him well. You see me, I say, from 19 early. What you do from 19 early? What you do from 19 early? Go on.
Money always wrapped up in a bag of kite.
Alright.
5-6 page, you have to own your own side.
Alright.
Them quick to judge.
What? Hold on the Pajo. Hold on there. But myself, me have to run back in here tune a little bit in the Pajo. Go on.
A bag of kite. 5-6 page, you have to own your own side.
Alright.
Them quick to judge, but they never see it out. We don't want to be a friend, try to push.
You hear what the man are telling the people? The man are give you the key, you know? The man are the family, you try to share the family with you right now, you know? I hope you not take note, you know, dog. I hope you take notes on Pajo music, you know? Because the man are give you the family right now, you know? Don't give you the full family, though, no? Don't give you the full family, and keep family for yourself. Go on!
Come a wrong way, talking about the dumb, but when the pressure come, they run way.
Alright.
Them a only look at you because they want to pay them.
Alright.
Then they get mad when you burn them out same. When we just
Them get... Bad mind! I'm only there for mine. And that Pajo I could know right now. People, intimation time. What I want to do right now, the dog, I got follow Pajo on Instagram, they search up Pajo Music, you know. I want to go subscribe to Pajo Music on YouTube right now. Make you know the reaction bar sending over this right now, you know. Link to this song right so else to right now go be in the comment section. You hear me I say, they go pin in the comment section and go there top link in the description. I want to go check out Pajo Music. Make you know the reaction bar sending anyone to go check him out. You understand me? Go support the man, support him and support me. Support me and support him. You see me I say, can I watch you with right now? Go give song and listen, dog. Go give song and listen, brother. Go listen to 2 times or 3 times or 4 times. Just give it a listen. Just touch the link. You see me I say, heard up the song, dog. Heard up the numbers for the song, dog. You hear me? You hear me I say? You are running some more tune, like I want your second verse. I think you are ramp out that today. Go on, Pajo.
stay focused on the grind with a straight face. Marathon mind, never give up in a long race. Money on the line, we have to stride with a stick.
What not there? You never keep a straight face. Money on Yo, we not listen to the rest of Pajo for 2 years. No, we open a listen, no youth. No, open a listen, no youth. I'm hoping I learn something from Pajo right now, no youth. Because Pajo mash up the place in the dog. Go on.
Rise all around cause the pussy why you laugh. Never bother with a fake friend, call a motivator. In the game of success, you have to find.
Never bother with a fake friend. Call and motivate. Oh Lord, what only motivators in life will make it out there, no dog. And that man I try to show me. Tell you, I'm give you the formula. No? I told the guys Pajo is giving us the formula right now, no people. I'm hoping I take notes, you know. Because Pajo not ramping, you know. You hear me? Pajo Music. Return.
Always watching pon your stack and planning how to rape you. But we covered by Jah the great illustrator. So we say money, money, mine, money, money, mine.
Always watch a stack and planning how to read. What's up for mash up the place in here today? I told me now nothing for mash up the place in here. Hey! I gotta get on pan and jump on and put in a room, you see? Where my reactions in there? We go to the second verse.
Money, money, mine.
Second verse.
Build your wealth, always stay prime.
Second verse.
Our best wood, only move with.
Second verse, Pajo.
Build your wealth, always stay prime.
Alright.
Money, money, mine, money, money, mine.
Alright. So now, reach to the second verse in the song, you know, people. And may I say, BL used to kick up boy faces, see me I say, but we know it's gonna clash people and motivate for do better for ourselves. So you know what we are gonna do? We are gonna hold our meds and see what you are saying up, Pajo. Because right now, we need to hold our meds and see what you really are saying. You hear me? So Pajo, teach you some more of the part. Give you some more of the formula. Go on.
On me head covered up, fur hood. London we live, so me shoes Westwood.
Westwood, London. Fear. Oh Lord. Vivi what?
And she named, so me give her best wood. Only move with the realest, misunderstood.
What? She named Vivi and said give her best wood. She named Vivi and said give her best wood. What? Pajo Music. Yo, people. She named Vivi. What? Pajo. What?
Get it, but me lay it there, clear on the track. Money, yeah, we focus, no time for chat. Now bring your energy, we have no time for that.
Money, I'm a pray. We not no time for chat. I tell you that the man tell you go hustle to everything and make a own and I'm hoping that take no some Pajo in the youth. I'm hoping that take Pajo. Go, no, finish your verse. Go on.
We looking for notes, give the bank up. Where we looking for a next generation to teach them. Shift the focus from the beat.
What me tell you say, Mado, a while ago? What me tell you say, Mado? myself for next generation to teach them right now. So I'm telling you, the family, I'm give weed in a dog, I'm give weed the younglings them the family, I know. You see what I'm telling me that English? Younglings. But yo, man, look for the next generation to teach them, to groom the bumbuckle juvenile them, Bobby Nile them. You dig me? More put not that nose, you know. Go on, Pajo.
TV. Break them into finance and burn up the fight.
Alright.
Start think about the bread and ease up the flour. Start think
Alright.
about the brand and the trends and who.
Stop watching burn on the trends, them youth. You dig me? I say, man, up grooming in a financing, investing and anything. You dig me? I say, this still not dog. I think I joke. Wait till me get a good piece of money. I say, more invest in what that buy some real estate. Let me get a youth. Young Bobby Niles, younglings, my age group them. Do some research. I know they want me now go all time. Me not even say 40. Yo, Pajo, me like that song you still. They me say people song called Money Mind. If you never remember. On the back side rhythm. Have 2 producers. You see me I say? You see me I say? You see me I say? Alright, run it.
Drive the Benz, make your money talk, keep your focus all the meds. It's a long game, better ready for the trails. Pass the moolah there, but you need.
Don't pre the bumbuckle belt brands and the trends. You see me I say? Make your money talk while I'm meds. While I'm med. Pajo. Bad or bad? Bad or bad, Pajo? Money mind, people. Money mind. You see me I say? Artists come from where? Artists that wear mash up where? You see me I say? Artists powered from Guyana. And I mash up where? And I mash up where? UK. You know me go put UK in that title. Watch me on it. Run it.
Strong when we say money, money, mine, money, money, mine. Money, money, mine, money, money, mine. Money, money, mine, money. When we say money.
Pajo Music people, we check him out. Make him say the reaction boss and over. They say, I say thanks to everybody for watching this video to the end. And as I keep sending the video, more to go check out Pajo Music, go subscribe to Pajo Music on YouTube, go follow him on Instagram, make him say the reaction boss and over. There so click the link, get the song and listen. You see me I say, and once you don't click the link and see the song and comment some fire emoji, then I go know what say me send over. So comment some fire emoji under the song. You see me I say, go support the reaction boss. See him so. You're not only supporting me by watching my videos. You see me I say, so they go get a song and one listen. You don't do the chop. Big up on yourself still. Right, the Clash Hype Man is in full effect. Peace.